Hello everyone, welcome back to English Birds. Today I am going to share with you the inspiring journey of Virat Kohli, a boy who turned his struggles into strength and became one of the greatest cricketers in the world, from facing challenges at a young age to lifting trophies for India. His story is full of lessons about hard work, discipline, and self belief. So stay with me till the end because this story will not only inspire you but also help you learn strong English expressions along the way. Success doesn't come overnight, it comes from struggle, sacrifice, and the courage to never give up. Today, let's walk through the incredible journey of Virat Kohli, the boy from Delhi who became the king of world cricket. Virat Kohli was born on 5th November 1988 in Delhi. From childhood, he was not just another boy with a bat. His father believed in his talent and enrolled him in the West Delhi Cricket Academy at the age of 9. Even then, people noticed his hunger, his determination to bat for hours, his refusal to quit until he was satisfied. But in 2006, tragedy struck. His father passed away when Virat was just 18. The very next morning, while his family was grieving, Virat walked out to play a Ranji match for Delhi, scoring 90 runs. That day, the world saw his mental toughness. In 2008, he led India to victory in the Under 19 World Cup. The same year, Royal Challengers Bangalore picked him for the IPL, and slowly the world began to hear the name Virat Kohli. In August 2008, he made his debut for India, but success did not come easy. He was not the most stylish player at the start, but he was determined. He worked harder than everyone else, and step by step, he became India's most reliable batsman. In 2011 World Cup, Virat was not the star, but he was solid. And when India lifted the trophy, he said about Sachin Tendulkar, he has carried the burden of the nation for 21 years. It was time we carried him. This attitude defined him, respect for legends, but hunger to create his own legacy. From 2012 onwards, he became unstoppable, chasing big targets, scoring centuries under pressure. That's when people named him Chase Master. He broke records one after another. Fastest to 8,000s, 9,000s, and 10,000s ODI runs. His aggression, his energy, his passion, it made fans believe India could win from any situation. In 2014, when MS Dhoni retired from Test, Virat became captain. Under him, India rose to number one in Test rankings. His philosophy, fitness, discipline, self belief, he transformed not just himself but the culture of Indian cricket. But even the greatest face struggles. After 2019, Virat went through a drought, no centuries for nearly 3 years. Critics said he was finished. They doubted his form, his captaincy, even his career. But champions don't quit. In 2022, Virat silenced the world with a magical century against Afghanistan in the Asia Cup. And then in the 2023 World Cup, he broke Sachin Tendulkar's record by scoring his 50th ODI 100. He did not just make a comeback, he reminded the world why he is called King Kohli. Virat Kohli's journey is not just about cricket, it's about never giving up, no matter what the world says. It's about discipline, passion, and the courage to rise every time you fail. From a little boy in Delhi to one of the greatest cricketers in the history, his story tells us dream big, work hard, and when life knocks you down, rise stronger. That's the spirit of Virat Kohli. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend who needs motivation, and subscribe for more inspiring stories because sometimes one story can change your life.